What is your biggest obstacle right now in remembering and embodying your wholeness? What is the essence of becoming whole? We experience things as objects. We experience things as matter. We experience things outside of us. But what is the mind? The mind is a mechanism that unites subtle frequencies, aka thoughts and ideas, with dense frequencies, aka physical objects. Both the thought and the physical manifestation are part of the same spectrum, are part of the same energy. The only difference between a thought / idea and a physical object / physical manifestation is the frequency of that energy.